So you have seen this cream literally everywhere. The MediCube PDRN Pink Collagen Capsule Cream, the one that you have to first pop, mix and then apply. It promises hydration, glow and firmness thanks to the new skincare ingredient Salmon DNA. Yes, you heard that right, DNA in skincare. So as I promised, I'm here to show you my 7 days test results. I will also talk you through what PDRN is in simple terms, the star ingredients, and then my experience of using it right from day 1 all the way to day 7, including the good, the not so good, and whether I think it's worth the hype or not. Stick around till the end because I'll show you a side by side of day 1 versus day 7 so you can see the difference yourself. First, let's quickly cover what this product claims. The MediCube PDRN Pink Capsule Cream is marked as a daily moisturizing cream for sensitive skin. What makes it different is these little PDRN capsules that are mixed with a gel paste. It has premium Salmon DNA PDRN capsules meant to firm, hydrate and repair the skin. The brand says the texture is lightweight gel and it's supposed to feel glowy and non-sticky. We will come back to this. You can customize it, more gel, more capsule, depending on what kind of finish you eventually want. If you want something lighter, go with extra gel and just maybe 1 capsule. But if you want more hydration and elasticity, go with more capsule and less of gel. And of course, the big promise, that famous K-Beauty Glass Skin Glow, better tone, firmness, and long-lasting dewiness. I have already done a detailed ingredient deep dive video on this before, which is linked up here in the card, and also you can find it in the description below. That video breaks down the science with clinical studies, but for this one, I'll just keep it simple. It's the polydeoxyribonucleotide. So PDRN, it's basically the salmon DNA. It helps to stimulate collagen, repair skin, and calms inflammation. It's often used in regenerative skincare treatments. Here it's listed as sodium DNA in the ingredient list. That's just the usable form of PDRN. It's also got 5% niacinamide. You know, everybody loves this ingredient. It evens out skin tone, helps with fine lines, it strengthens the skin barrier, and overall give a nice glow. And together, PDRN and niacinamide are like 1-2 punch. Repair and rejuvenation plus barrier support. Besides that, the formula also has hydrating agents and soothing ingredients, all aimed at giving you that plump, glowy look. But of course, what matters most is not, just what's on the label, but also how it feels when you actually put it on your skin. So here is my real 7-day journey with this cream. On day 1, I was honestly so excited because the hype is huge around this. I used 2 capsules plus the gel that comes along with it. First impression, it's hydrating, feels really moisturizing, and definitely has that cooling, soothing vibe. On day 2, I scaled back to just 1 capsule. I felt like if I was layering it over another moisturizer or serum, 2 capsules felt like too much. With 1 capsule, it was lighter and more balanced. On day 3, I mixed it on my palms instead of directly mixing it on my face. Honestly, I felt it's much easier and less messy, and I know you've already seen enough videos of people rubbing capsules directly on their face, so you don't need more. Day 4, 5, 6. For these 3 days, I kept experimenting with the ratio. Sometimes more gel, sometimes more capsules. But I never used more than 2 capsules. Depending on what I had already applied on my face, I would adjust the ratio. And that's genuinely the best part about this product. It's customizable. But one thing I noticed consistently, it does take a while to absorb and dry it down. So if you're in a hurry, you might find it a bit time consuming. Day 7. Now this is something that I felt every single day, but I kept it as a highlight for day 7. No matter how you customize, more gel, fewer capsules, or the other way around, it always felt sticky on my skin. And I'm in really humid weather. So even at night when the temperature dips, it's still uncomfortable. You know when your hair sticks to your face? If you have some sticky thing on your face, or when you are lying sideways on the pillow and it feels like the product is rubbing off or the pillow is getting stuck to your face, that's exactly the discomfort I had. The hydration is real for sure, but so is the stickiness. So after 7 days, what is my verdict? I did notice plumpness and hydration. My skin felt moisturized, and if you want that dewy glass look, it definitely gives that effect. But the texture may not be for everyone. If you're in humid climate like me, the stickiness can get frustrating. Here is a quick look at day 1 versus day 7. You can see the difference in how my skin looks more hydrated and fresh after a week. But I wouldn't call it a life-changing transformation. It's more of a comfort product, one that gives you instant dewiness and some skin benefits over time. So would I recommend it? If you love hydration, you love rich products and don't mind some stickiness, yes, it's a fun product. You can try. But if you prefer lightweight, quick absorbing texture, you might struggle with this one. Probably you need to skip the capsule altogether and just use a very little gel. And if you want all the science behind all these ingredients, PDR and niacinamide, how they come together, how they work for the skin, do check this detailed video right here or in the description below. That's where I really nerd out the studies. Thanks for watching, and let me know, would you try a cream with salmon DNA? Or a product like this sound too experimental? Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts. I would love to hear them. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.